Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at a Zones show, the first show in 5 years here in Chicago, Illinois, that Zones put on. If you want to learn more about Zones, go to zones.com. I'm here with Doug Eckrote, who's the COO. Doug, how are you?
I'm doing great. Great to have you here, Gary.
I appreciate you being here. I enjoyed delivering the keynote this morning. I want to congratulate you on bringing live events back. I think everybody's ready to kind of get back.
Absolutely are. Yes, yes.
I would like to know, kind of first off, what sets Zones apart? What's different about Zones than everyone else out there?
I think it's really our coverage model, especially on a global basis. We have a lot of large name customers out here that we're supplying some product, services, and they want our reach on a global basis. And we have that global reach, unlike a lot of our competitors. So I think that it's our sales force, it's our logistics, it's our capabilities around things like ITAD, which is basically lifecycle management, the entire device from purchase until retirement. Those are just services that just our competitors don't offer out there.
Yeah, and obviously everything, the background of every organization nowadays is IT. As you look forward to 2025, what are you most excited about?
Well, I think there's so much excitement built up just with the last few years, kind of a wait-and-see approach with AI and some of the other products that are coming out. I think that built-up demand is out there. Time for refreshes. Everybody bought their products during the COVID lockdown to get people to work from home. It's time to refresh those. So I think 2025 is going to be a very strong year just because of the AI built into the PCs, the laptops, and just that built-up demand. I think it's going to be a huge year in 2025.
I think office spaces are having to be redesigned no matter what. I've been paying attention to the Castle report, which I'm sure you look at as well, the office occupancy report, and it seems like we've settled in at somewhere between 60 and 65%, and that's probably where we're going to shake out, right?
Yeah, I think we're going to keep getting people back in the office. I mean, I think people are starting to realize from a cultural standpoint, from even efficiency standpoint. I know they talk about work from home being a little bit more efficient. I'm not sure I buy that as much, but I think that the main thing I get concerned with is just the culture. So I think as people get back in, but as your presentation showed today, I agree. I think the spaces are going to have to be redesigned to be more like at home, that experience, or the coffee shop, like you said. The day of the cubes is probably dead. I agree with that one. It's all about collaboration. So I look forward to getting more people back in the office to be able to build that collaboration, that culture going forward. So.
Yeah, if you want to learn more about Zones, go to zones.com, easy to find them. And of course, we're going to go around and kind of give you a sneak peek of what it's like to be here at Zones. And they've got a lot of events planned for 2025. Stay tuned to raypubs.com to learn more about them and see if you can attend one in your area. Thank you.